Hello, my name is Juan Garcia. Today, October 25, I will explain the comparison of the two software and their disadvantages. Software Elemental owner is Bamboo Code. Technical description. It is an application that helps small designs to manage themselves in a simple and efficient way. There are two prices for Elemental software. The monofit system with a total cost of $67 at Elemental we handed the following payment methods: PayPal Secure and Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Diners Club International, Bank. Disadvantage: point of sale terminals like any computer system can fail causing companies to lose safe information. Although backup programs are available when outside during a period of high activity, orders and communication with kitchen staff can be delayed or lost. Software owner solution is Allegra. Technical description. Allegra is an easy management and accounting system for managing your company. The price for the Allegra software plan simply in 60 Colombian pesos. Pro plan 19 Colombian pesos. Plan plus 150 Colombian pesos. At Allegra 500 following payment method: Visa, Mastercard, American Express, Paloto, PayShare, Effective. Disadvantage: the cost to support the monthly software is too high, as not a single purchase is made, but it must be made monthly. Conclusion: the price of the software is affordable, which regard to the issue of promoting digital transformation in Colombian companies, saying it's a not very high price for the SME company, since the profit is of a high degree, since the accounting administrative part, financial acquisitions will have better flow, you will have better order of the company implementing the technologies in it. In this case, the software will be an excellent investment for Colombian companies. Thank you.